The 2015 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.